feel some sliding, some bumping, a lot of jerking back and forth. You just hope he hits the landing strip good.
Oh my Jesus, good Lord.
Big correction. Crosswinds.
What is going on? Here's where we're gonna die. Did you feel that? That shit is ridiculous. Oh my God. Oh my God. Dude. This isn't right. This is
exceptionally rough.
oh my God.
Uh-oh.
I have never had a quicker.
Dude, this is like
Oh, we're coming in definitely hot. Here we go.
oh my
Oh, shit.
Oh my God. Dude. That is not right. That's not right.
We're on the ground. That's all that matters now.
That's not right.
Yeah, we're tight. We're good. We made it.
Oh my God.